Let's take a look at a direct variation example. Find an equation in which y varies directly as x and y equals 20 when x is 80. Then find the value of y when x equals 10. In this problem, they're telling us the relationship of y to x. It varies directly. And the generic equation then would be y equal k, standing for the constant of proportionality, x. Using the first piece of information that's given, y is 200 when x is 80, we can replace our x and y in our equation, leaving only the unknown constant of variation or proportionality, k. To solve for k, we will divide both sides by 80. Simplifying this improper fraction results in k equal to 2.5. We now can replace the k in our generic direct variation equation with the value found from the given information to a specific direct variation equation for this particular problem of y equal 2.5x. Now that we know the equation, we can then move on to find the value of y when x is 10. Replacing x with 10 in our equation and simplifying, we find that the associated y value is 25 when x is 10, and the answer to the second part of this problem.